see we're beginning to get the shape of the aquatic center. We will now need to put in a sub D edge ring. That is this tool here. We change it from loop to ring, so make sure it's set to ring. Then we select these sub D lines, press enter, and you can see this changes the form. So you want to set the line about here. In the left side of our building, it will allow us to drag down one of the structural columns. So if you see on the left side, this is divided into 4 different surfaces. We will select this one using Shift Control, and we'll bring it down. You have to use a mix of moving and extruding for this. We'll move it down slightly, then we'll extrude the last part. Remember to use your different views to get the shape of this right. And we can use our frontal plan view as reference. So you see that shape there we are trying to replicate. This is where sub D becomes a little bit difficult because it's hard to exactly replicate what you are seeing, but just do it to the best of your ability. So once you have that shape, we'll go ahead and use our reflect tool. If you remember this from the introduction tutorials, we'll use our top view to set this. Now we have our reflected model. We can go ahead and make some fine adjustments. You just want that to be tucked in slightly. Now we will add a bevel to the edge. So we'll switch it to a flat view and select our bevel tool. So bevel or mesh sub D. Then we'll go along the outside and select the line to bevel. This only needs a very slight bevel because you'll see what happens to the shape. You see now that we've beveled the edge, the upper part holds its shape slightly more. And we can go ahead, reselect our reflect tool, and then remove existing reflect. Now we have one shape.